Hello, hello, Tara Ludovici here. I wanted to make this video today to just go over the basics of what the Thrive experience is. If you are seeing this, you probably either just got a mini experience in your hands or maybe you just got your box of Thrive for the very first time. So I'm going to break down exactly what's in your package and how to take it. It is very, very simple, okay? You have 3 steps that you're going to do every single day in the first 30 to 40 minutes of your day on an empty stomach. 1, 2, 3, and you're done for the day. You don't have to think about anything else, no other shakes, no other pills, nothing else, and you're done, okay? So this is really, really easy, but it's very important that you take it exactly as it is prescribed, shall I say, because if you don't take it correctly or you do it in the wrong order or you add anything in between or add any food, you're not going to get the best results. So this is how it is. Let me just go ahead and break this down for you. So what you have in your box, you have 3 different steps. 1 are the vitamins. These are our premium lifestyle capsules. We have the women's formula, which is what I have right here, the purple pack, or there's the men's formula. That's the blue box. So there are 2 vitamins in each pack, and you can take 1 to 2 vitamins first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. So you're going to take this, you're going to put it on your nightstand tonight, and then tomorrow when you wake up, when that alarm clock goes off, you're going to roll over, grab your vitamins, and you're going to take 1 to 2 capsules with about 8 to 10 ounces of water. Water is going to be very, very important during your experience. So the more water you get, the better you're going to feel. So this is the first step. You take those, and now you're going to get up, you're going to get ready for the day, take your shower, whatever you want to do, and then you're going to do our second step, which is the premium lifestyle shake. They come in several different flavors. It is very easy to mix. This is ultra micronized, so it's like broken down to the purest ingredient. Looks like baby powder. You are going to mix this with about 8 to 10 ounces of water, milk, almond milk, whatever you want to use. If you're trying to lose weight, water is going to be your best bet. I do mine with water every day. I'll add in some ice, maybe a little cinnamon or something like that, but I just shake it up and take it. Super simple. But also on an empty stomach. That is very, very important. So you do the capsules. That takes some time to open up in your stomach. Then you do the shake. That gets in there, and they like work together. All 3 steps work together, so that's really important. There's strawberry, vanilla, we have apple pie, chocolate, and candy cane. All of the shakes are amazing. So that's it, second step, and then you're going to put on your DFT. This is the Derma Fusion technology. You'll hear it called the patch, the sticker, but it is a DFT. So this is going to give you 24-hour time release through your skin, just all day energy with a little side of happy. It is amazing. They are waterproof. You can put them anywhere on your skin. Try to, the leanest area of your body, bicep, wrist. It's gonna work regardless of where you put it. So it's important that each day you're gonna rotate where you put your DFT. If you put it in the same spot every day, your skin might get a little bit irritated, so just move it around, put it in a different spot. If you have any issues, if your skin is maybe a little bit more oily, or if you sweat a lot, put it in a spot that maybe doesn't sweat as much. Or a really good tip, if you want this baby to stick like glue, you can take a little bit of alcohol and clean the area of where you're going to put it, and then let it dry, and then apply your DFT. This thing will really stick. So you can shower, you can work out, all of that stuff, and you should be good to go. So that is it. 3 simple steps, and you're done. Now, a lot of people ask, like, do I have to change? Do I have to change the way I eat, or, anything about my routine? You don't necessarily have to change anything that you're doing, but I will give you some tips to have the best experience. 1, you want to increase your water. The average person should have half of your body weight in ounces per day. If you weigh 100 pounds, you want to have 50 ounces of water. 200 pounds, you want to have 100 ounces of water. So, I ask people all the time, well, how much water are you getting? Oh, I drink water all day. Well, yes, but how much? Is it 2 bottles of water and it takes you all day to drink it? Or is it 10 bottles of water? So be very conscious to get half of your body weight in ounces of water per day, and then limit your caffeine intake. That's really going to help. When you're starting a brand new program, you don't want to take something that's going to help give you energy and then take it down with caffeine. It's probably not, it may make you a little bit jittery. You might not feel very good if you're adding added caffeine to it. And you really want to see what the Thrive experience can do for you without anything else. Too much caffeine can tend to dehydrate your body. And with this being something like you want to stay hydrated, it's probably best to limit that. Now, I'm not saying you can't have caffeine at all, but to get the full benefits of the product, definitely limit it. And if you are a coffee drinker, get your 3 steps in first, and then just see how you feel. You might not even need that coffee. That was me. I was a huge coffee drinker before Thrive. I thought there was no way I'm giving up my coffee, and I did my 3 steps in day 1 and thought, you know, in 45 minutes, I was like, good morning, annoyingly happy and ready to go. I didn't even think about coffee. So you might not need it either. So it's best to just do your 3 steps and just see how you feel. Increase your water, and definitely keep posted and stay really closely connected with whoever introduced this to you. Get with your promoter, let them know, okay, I'm starting, I'm on day 1, and give them little updates. If you have anything, maybe you're feeling funny, or maybe if you're feeling something that you didn't expect to feel, let them know immediately, because I guarantee you we have a solution. It could be something small that we have to tweak. So it's really important to stay connected. We want you to have the best experience possible. So I am so very excited for you. Welcome to the Thrive Life. It's going to be an amazing journey. I don't know exactly what you started this for, but I can guarantee you it's going to change your life, and you'll probably notice 10 more things that you're experiencing that you didn't even intend to. So I am super excited for you. I hope this video was helpful. If you have somebody new starting, go ahead, feel free to tag them in this video so that they have the instructions. And that's that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. See you on the next one.
Another perk about Lavelle is that you can earn your product for free every single month just by sharing this with 2 of your friends and family members who want to feel better just like you do. And to see what other people are saying about their experience, check out our fan page on Facebook at facebook.com/Lavelle Brands. Thanks so much for watching. All you Thrivers out there, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you found this content valuable, please subscribe to the channel. You guys have a wonderful day.